here from the Irish Selling Machine here, looking to show you how to integrate a Google Calendar into your website. So if you're a small Irish business there, what we do is we help small Irish businesses grow online, to get them up and going online to compete with the big multinationals, and we help you get a grant there for that, so that it doesn't end up costing you very much at all to get online, because the government is pushing this now to get online and get and compete with the other big companies online like Amazon and eBay and stuff like that, you know. So that's what we're looking to try and do for our customers. But just to show you here quickly how to integrate your Google Calendar into a website, so that you can update your phone for events that take place within your business, so that it could easily sync with your website, so you don't have to go updating your website every time you need to add an event. So basically, when we build your website for you, we give you access to this simple building tool that you can make changes to your website yourself without costing a fortune. But what we do is we can embed a Google Calendar, and when you embed that Google Calendar, you get an option here on how to connect the calendar. So I'm just using this website as an example here. So you click on the calendar, and then what should come up here now in a second, my internet's a bit slow, but is to sign into your Google account. So you're going to sign into your Google account, whether it's a business one or a personal one. You can sign in there, but first, before we actually sign in, what we're going to do is we're going to pop into Google Calendar website here. So Google Calendar, and then click on that. And as you can see, the Google Calendar pops up. So this is my personal account, and what we want to do is sign into your business if you have one, but you can use your personal one as well if you don't have a business Google account. And then I'm just going to create a new calendar here. So I'm just going to press on create. That's a new event. What we're going to do is go into calendars, and then we're going to we're just going to press add other calendars, create a new calendar. See that? So we're going to call this calendar, just for example purposes, example calendar, and we're going to give this calendar a description, so whatever description you want. So we're just going to say example, and then we're going to put in a link maybe to it as well, just to see if that comes up. So I could just put any link into it here. This link here, this is a link to my other websites. So we're going to create that calendar, and we're just going to let it process. So as you can see here, I actually spelt it wrong here. Example calendar is created. You can change that name around if you like. EXAMPLE should be. So then you can do some changes, but one of the main changes you have to do here would be to make available to public, because this is going to be able to then share onto the website. So that's what we're going to press here, and auto accept invitations that do not conflict. Probably could be good if someone wanted to make a event on your behalf. You can start adding people to it to share with, so that they can make events. Someone that's working in your business, you can add a notification so that people will get a notification one day or 1 hour before the event, and then we can go again, and another notification 1 day before the event, for example, so that when someone is comes to your event, then they will be notified. You can add an all-day notification there as well, and then you can change these settings, yourself here. Now there is some stuff here that you can do, but we don't want to do any of this, because we already have it integrated for you. So that's it. Then we just go back out of settings, as long as settings are saved. So this is your example calendar here. We'll just make sure that settings are saved on it. Sorry, I must have added something there. Example calendar. It's going to go into settings and sharing again. Yeah, there's no yeah, it just automatically saves. So when you change that, it just automatically saves. So so then, now that we have it there, we have example calendar there, you can start importing your events. You can import them, or else you can make them. So like if you have, let's say, a workshop or something on every Friday for the next couple of months, you can just type in here workshop, or some sort of event for your business, and then you can add your guests. You can write, you don't need to find the time. You can add location, so leash, add a description. It's going to put in a link where they can order. So let's just say order here on this link, and then put in your link there, make it into a link by pressing that and pressing OK. Now it's a link. You can attach some files to it if someone wants to do that, and then you press save. So now that's something that we set up for Friday in leash. So if we go into our site, then so you have access to this site if you got a website off of us. If you didn't, I'd advise you to give us a call to go through the grant process to get a grant to really increase your visitors and traffic on your site. So we sign into Google here, and we go into the Safety Course Ireland, which is the one that we built the calendar on. I'm just waiting for it to load up here. Just going to pause it here for 1 second here. So now, as you can see, it just took a little bit of time, but now you can see there that it's connected, and then you should see the different calendars that's linked to. So we made one called example calendar. So I think we made two or one. There's one. Yeah, they're both the same. So we're connecting it to example calendar because that's one of our calendars on that email account. And as you can see here, it says workshop is going on. And if we preview it, that's what they'll see. They'll see a 9 AM workshop. So that could be anything. But at least customers will be able to see what's going on certain dates, and they'll be able to click on the link as well. Order here on this link, got it, and then they'll go to the order link, or they'll go to register or whatever. So you could just have a little bit of some sales copy here. If you're looking to register for this workout, click on this link, and then it'll bring them to the order page. So that's how you could do that on your calendar, how to integrate it, how to connect it, how to make your Google Calendar. And I hope that helped you all. And as I said again, if there's anyone that that has a website off of us, there is an extra grant now available, and anyone that doesn't have a website, we can get you up and going for less than €250, and we can even do some Google ads for you with that €250. So if you're looking to get a website done, we can get you a website that's valued at €2,000 to €5,000 for as little as €250. So get in touch if you're interested. And if you're a small business in Ireland and you're looking to just get online without having to do a lot of hassle and work, we can do it kind of seamlessly for you, all while getting you a grant. So thanks a million, guys, and best of luck in the future with your website and your business.